Well, hello everybody. Thought I'd do something a little bit different this afternoon here in the train room. I do a lot of maneuvering of the trains, trying to get them around the layout, put them where it is that I want them. And so this afternoon I was going to move 501, which is a little Santa Fe switcher, over to a little siding over here in the engine yard. And I said, well, why don't I just record this so the people can actually see the layout in operation. And so 501, this little Santa Fe switcher that's rolling by, is going to have to make a number of maneuvers in order for her to get to that track that I just showed you. And the first one's going to be, we're going to have to move through switch 17 and 18, but we've got a train on that track. We've got 1329. And one of the things that I really don't like about this layout, I'm missing the right-hand turnouts, right-hand switches. Kato makes a left-hand, but no right-hand, so it requires me to make transitions where I do a lot of backing on the layout. And so right now we're going to wait for 1301 to clear. And 501 should be clear of that switch. I'll give her just a little bit more room to be sure. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'll slow 1301 down a little bit so she gives me time to work with 501. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to throw switches 17 and 18 on the back side of Mike's Freight House over there. Throwing 17. Just throwing 18. Just throwing. Okay, let's go ahead and back up 501. Probably help if you all could see where 501 is. There, down between the bushes. So let's get these in reverse. Got a bell going. Give a little toot. And switches are thrown. Let's go ahead and back her up. Okay, so now she's moving up onto 2 main, which is 1301's territory. I'm going to have to hold 1301 over here for just a hot minute. 1301 is holding here. 501 is clearing the switches. Alright. Go ahead and kill the bell. Reset the switches. Closing 18. Closing 17. And giving 501 the clear to go. Now 501 is going to come around here on the 2 main. And we're going to have to do another backing maneuver. And I hope I gave myself enough clearance between 1301 and 501. But I should. I got 540 footers, 200 feet plus the engine. Yeah, she's got that. Plenty of room over here. So what we're going to do, I'll bring 501 past switches 3 and 4. Again, a lot of backing here. And also in the background, I'm going to hold 1329 at Trinity. That would be switch 16 on the backside. We'll be engaging that one here in just a second. Yeah, plenty of room for 501 to clear the switches at 3 and 4. And you can see 501, 1301, same track, no issues. Okay, throwing switches 3, which is on the main line, and 4, which is on main line 2. And again, a little more backing. Yeah, I actually asked Kato about right-hand switches, and they said no. I don't think there's enough of us HO guys using Kato Unitrack. Maybe if we unite, something might happen, but other than that, I don't think it's going to happen. Alright, so 501 is now getting on the main line. I'm going to go ahead and close switches 4 and 3. Switches are closed. 501 is clear. Well, you guys can't see that, but there is 501. She's clear. We got 1329 sitting all the way on the back side. We'll go ahead and give her the all clear. First, I'm going to turn off this bell. 1329 is going to get the all clear to go, because I'm going to need her to clear 16. 501 is set to forward. You're clear to go. 13-1, switches are set, and you are clear to go. $13.01, you're rolling. $5.01 is rolling. $13.29 is rolling. Okay, pay attention. I get caught up in watching trains and forget what I'm doing. 501, slow it down. Throwing switch 16, which will put him over here on this offshoot. 16 is thrown. Let's go 501. Big mistake I make all the time. I forget to throw a switch. It's not pretty. 16 is closed. Okay, switch 19. What's your status? 19 is thrown. Close 19. 20 is closed. We should be good for a straight-in approach on 501. Let's hope we clear that Rio Grande. Oh, did I forget to throw a switch? See what happens when you assume things? Back it on up. I forgot I parked that Rio Grande over. I was more worried about her running into the ass end of that caboose. Alright, stop. Let's fix this. Go forward. Switch 22 is now closed. Okay, I assumed it was closed. I had forgot. 501. Come on in. Kind of like Atlanta today. Airplanes running into each other. Not a good thing. And the reason I brought these cars over here is because I'm too lazy to go and put them in the box right now. Alright, so that's kind of how I do things behind the scenes around here when I'm kind of moving things around. Thanks for watching.